Welcome to the CML Audio V.Mini-master control panel. The panel provides 12 VU channel meters with associated signal and tricolour dynamics LEDs, 8 aux master summing amps and output levels with stereo selection and monitoring, 2 stereo mix buses based on V1 and V3 mix amps, each with stereo direct input, pre-fade inserts and rotary level controls. Desk mode selection with signal threshold control, PSU fail indication and meter pad to drop the VU audio level by 10 dB. Simplified yet comprehensive console status control for solo, cut groups A and B, master mic, fader swap, mix down plus metering and monitoring of output, playback and overdub modes. Talkback level with mic which is switched by a remote contact closure, such as a foot switch. Monitor selection to access 3 external stereo sources, plus mix 1 and 2, mix 3 and 4, with provision for a second set of loudspeakers, dim and cut. The headphone jack socket will cut the loudspeakers and follow the loudspeaker level and balance controls. We would now like to demonstrate the CML Audio V.Mini-master control panel using 12 Neve VR channels. What you can hear is a looped multitrack. Signal LEDs showing us levels on the channels. The dynamics indicates we are using limiter compressor or gates. The green LED shows us the level of the gain reduction. We are sending to 2 stereo mixes at this time. A clean mix on 1 and 2 and a compressed mix on 3 and 4. Fading out these instruments and fading some drums which are sending to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We are listening to mix 1 and 2. We can change the level of contribution to the main mix from the compressed mix by changing the output level on mix 3 and 4. The compressor is patched across the pre-fade insert points. Another control could be the stereo direct input level. Input level on mix 1 and 2 can also be adjusted in order to change the level of the compressed mix. Metering in playback or overdub if overdubs are required. We could also use output if using the sidecar to summix a drum kit to a stereo mix. We can adjust the volume to suit the listening levels and use the balance if we are offset between the speakers. Some of the channels are sending from aux 1 and 2 for a reverb send. We can monitor the levels by selecting the monitor switch, and if we want to return to mix 1 and 2, we can select the source in the monitor selection. We can dim or cut the speaker audio. We have a CD on external 3 if requiring comparison input. Solo system works in AFL mode and is non-destructive. If we fade out the audio, we can interrogate the audio by selecting PFL mode. The monitor to meter is active on mix meter 3 and 4, which is now showing the internal audio level of the channel in solo. Deselecting PFL cancels the meter audio, and the audio level returns when the fader is up. This is apparent on the large and small faders. If you overpatch the monitor inputs, it is possible to add additional faders to the mix, giving you the equivalent of 24 faders at mix down. All in all, quite a comprehensive control panel. Not everything can be covered in this short video, but we hope that you can get some idea of the features that we have included. Here you can see the V.Mini-master Neve VR sidecar, very compact and we feel it is pleasing to the eye. The 12-channel bucket and rear panel is sourced from a Neve VR console which has been downsized. The trims are part of the kit sourced from CML Audio. Please feel free to contact us for more information.